Let's start with amending or updating your place of residence. If you need to update your address, click Update Address. Fill in your details in the current address field and then select your address from the drop-down menu. Click Save Address. If your address did not appear in the drop-down menu, ensure that you check the Address Cannot Be Verified box. Fill out your address details in the fields below and then click Save Address. To update your mailing address, click Add New Address. You can select your existing street address or add in a PO box. We're going to add a PO box in this demonstration. Type in the PO box details and select the address from the drop-down menu. Click Save Address. To update your phone number, click Add Telephone. Type your phone number in the field and click Save Telephone Number. Move on to Step 4, completing your pre-enrollment checklist.